Today we're going to solve mathematical word problems. So here's an example of what you are going to be looking at today. So there are 133 books in the Kingfishers and 42 books in the Woodpeckers. How many books are there altogether in both classrooms? So let's have a look how we would solve this. We know because it says all together we have to do an add in sum. So this is how it is set out in the column method, okay? So we've got up the top 133 and down the bottom 42, and if you look we've got hundreds, tens and units. That is how we set it out. So what we need to do now, when it comes to adding them together, we need to add the units first. Okay, so the units is this column right at the end, the 3 and the 2. So 3 add 2 makes 5. So we can write that there because we know it's 5. And next we need to move on to the tens. 3 add 4. So 3 add 4 is 7. So we know that. And then we need to move on to our hundreds. We've only got 1 here. We've got nothing here. If there's nothing underneath, that means it's 0. So 1 add 0 is 1. So you've solved it all together here now. This is what the number is that we needed to find out, okay? So 133 add 42 makes 175. So hopefully if I click, there we are. There are 175 books altogether. So if you were solving an addition problem like this, and it says all together, set it out like I've shown you here in the column method, and then you need to write your answer as well next to it, okay? Have a go. I know you haven't done very much addition using the column method, and in this work today there is no carrying at all. Some of you might have carrying from the paper copies because Sir made a little bit of a mistake on there, but these haven't got any carrying at all. So if you do need a new copy because you're finding it too hard with the carrying, there are extra copies going to be available in school today, and also there's going to be another version without carrying put up on Seesaw for you as well, so you can have a look on there to use that. So any problems, you know where I am in school, and good luck with this. I think you'll be okay. So once you're done, upload to Seesaw.